Is. There it is, the new e-camper. What do you think of it? It's very cute. Drives well, gets good gas mileage, and I think I'm gonna have room for a lot of stuff in there. I'm teaching the dogs how to get in. I've got a ramp, and I'm teaching them to go up a ramp. One of the coolest things about this vehicle is that you can clean it out with a leaf blower. See, there's no carpet. Well, I think Precious and Buddy approve of the new Honda Element with the e-camper. I'll show you the top here again. E-camper by Ursa Minor, company in Chula Vista, California. They don't have so many elements to put these on anymore, so now they are putting them on the top of Jeep Wranglers. So they make a real nice little bed up there. So let's see if I can show you from the inside how it looks. There we go. So right where the moonroof was, they just build a panel up there, and then it opens up into a bed. Very nice. Now down here, I have the passenger seat laying down and the back seat behind the passenger seat laying down, and then I just have these cushions. These are from like a lawn chair, and I have these cushions in here, and I think the dogs like it. I got their stroller in here because tomorrow I'm taking this car to the Honda dealer, and I'm going to have them check it all out, fix anything that needs to be fixed. So let me get you another angle over here of I'm starting to put things in it, things that I use all the time. Oh, that's a pretty picture. Look how the sun shines off that window. It's like a sunset. Okay, so the two side doors open to a real nice big area. There's one of the clamps that holds down the pop top. So I took off the headrest right here on the passenger side, and I used a bungee cord to hook it down there underneath the seat, just in case if I take a passenger, then I'll have the headrest on the front. My windshield shade from the other car did actually fit. In fact, it was a little too big. The Honda CR-Z actually has a bigger windshield than this one. So I have an oleander bush here that I trimmed so I can get around here and get by it. And then I took this piece of wood, I put a towel on there, and I put some bungee cords to hold the towel on, and that's a little ramp that I put right down here so the dogs can learn to get in and out, climb in and out of the car. So they can jump. They don't really need to walk up the ramp, but I figure that in the long run, as they get older, it'll be nice to have them trained to get in and out of the car on a ramp. Wait, they look comfortable, huh? Precious and Buddy in their new Honda Element e-camper. Okay, I'm reading in this book called The Message, and it says, even if someone does something against you 7 times in one day, and he says, I'm sorry, forgive me, I won't do it again, you have to forgive them. And the apostles said to Jesus, give us more faith. They didn't understand how they could possibly do that. They knew that was going to take a lot of faith. And Jesus said to them, there's no more or less faith. If you have a tiny kernel of faith, maybe the size of a poppy seed, you could say to this tree, go and jump in the lake, and it would. Then he goes on to say that a servant doesn't get special thanks for doing what's expected. It's the same with you. When you've done everything you're expected to do, just say, the work is done. We did what you told us to do. I never put all that together before about how the faith that we have is like a tiny seed and we don't need any more. We just have to do what Jesus said so that we can say, the work is done. We did what you told us to do, God. You told us to forgive someone every single time, and we did. So I hope you can forgive everybody in your life. I know it's hard. I know when people have done things to you that hurt you, it's really hard, but it's just a tiny little thing that Jesus asks us to do, and we can do it. You'll be so blessed if you do. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed looking at my new camper, my tiny little camper, and seeing the dogs. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And adios. Mwah. Until next time. Bye.